Kia ora boys, and this is just a quick instructional video on how you're going to use this Hyperdoc to prepare yourselves for the 2.3 Earth and Space Science internal. So follow along, come back to this video if you're ever confused at what a task is asking you to do, and I will explain it for you. So here is your Hyperdoc. You will start on this page, and this gives you a brief overview as well as my video will be sat in here. You'll have your tasks 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and you can click on any of these and they will take you to your task, as I'll demonstrate soon. Down here are some skills you may need. This one is about how to take Cornell notes, which I know you already know how to do, but if you've forgotten, you can click that. If you click on this, it will take you to the assessment document and standards, so you can read what exactly you will be assessed on eventually. So let's just go through a few of the tasks. So as I said, if you click on one of these, it'll jump you down to the task, but I just want to show you this one first. You'll be given a resource pack. Now in this resource pack, you'll be given a chapter from a book that you need to be able to read, your rock flowchart diagram, a Earth and Space rock collection book, some flowcharts and charts down here, as well as a few other things. They're really important. This will have your name on it. Keep it together, as it is something I will be marking when I get back to ensure you're ready to sit your internal. Jumping back here, just to demonstrate, this will jump you to the first task, and it's called the Great Rock Search, and that is what you're going to do in your first lesson. So you need to grab a tray and a piece of A3 paper. Now, the reliever will know where these are, but they are located, for your sake, on, as if you're looking down the class towards the back, on the left under the benches. All you have to do, as it says, is sort the rocks into some sort of order. And then I want you to write me why you decided to do that. Task 2, you're going to be exploring some volcanoes. You have 3 options and you must complete the first and then you get to pick. So here's the first option. So if you click on a few of these, they're going to take you on a bit of an adventure. I won't spoil it now. But what you're going to do is start mapping, and you can use any sort of shape or dot or whatever you want on this map to create a pattern, or to see if you can create a pattern about where volcanoes are. And then I want you to write why you think they're found there. Okay, so start unpacking that. And then you get to decide, do you pick option 2, which is to read this chapter and answer a few questions on 3 volcanoes. Here they are. I've left these slides blank for you to edit and make interesting. Or do you want to go and look at the same 3 volcanoes through a different format? All right, and then again here are the slides. You can delete whichever option you do not do. However, you might want to keep the resource slide, as it may give you valuable information for later in the internal. Then task 3 is asking you to complete this flowchart, okay, using some resources I've prepared for you. Here they are. They're 3 videos. Okay, the flowchart kind of acts as your Cornell notes for this one, so you don't need to do extra, but if you do want to, the more notes you have, the better. So once you've made your 3 flowchart, once you've filled in your flowchart diagram using the 3 videos, I want you to create me a poster. Now I'll have down here how to do it in Microsoft PowerPoint that I prepared for my Year 13s. But you can also do it by making another Google slide. So what I want you to do is create a new Google Slides document, name it the same as this if you like, and what you do is you go File, Page Setup, and here you can customize the size of your slides. Now you make it nice and big, okay, as big as you like. Remember, these are inches. I think you can change them. Okay, but imagine I want a massive big poster on the wall for all the junior classes and Science 200 next year to see this. I want you to create a cool poster that summarizes and links these 3 types of rock. Okay, if you're not too sure how to do that, I suggest you look through your resources, because there might be something that helps. And finally, the last thing I want you to do is I've prepared a question booklet that will just ensure that you know everything before I get back and give you your actual internal assessment. I've given you a few extra videos down here, and completing that will basically ensure you're ready. So there you have it, guys. This is your Hyperdoc for while I'm away. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's interesting, and I hope you work extremely well. If you don't, fellas, the only person that will suffer is you, because you will struggle with the internal, but I hope this prepares you fantastically for that. Give it your all, give it your best, and behave for the reliever. Catch you when I get back.